Once again, hello guys and welcome to everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about null object. What is null object and how we use. First of all, we need to add a new composition. Let's create it. Name it your composition. Null episode. Why I remembered none. Okay. Alright, our composition is ready and we are going quite fast today. And let's create a rectangle, then a star, mini star, and then a ellipse. Okay. Oh shit. Sorry guys, make sure you created your shape in your different shape layer. Otherwise you created your marks in one shape layer just like this, and one ellipse mask, one poly star, and we just need to control plus X for delete it. And here is a single shape layer which is rectangle tool. Now created an ellipse in different shape layer, just like that. And now I'm going with a star. Also deselect all the shape layer, otherwise again created your marks again. Here is our star now. And alright, if you notice, if I change the one shape layer of position, just like this, only rectangle is moving and the star and ellipse is not moving. And if I select star and scale up the star, only star is scale up, rectangle and ellipse is not scale up. So basically guys, null object is used to animate all the shapes layer at same time. Just like that, right click in your timeline pane, go in new and add a null object here. Pair all the shapes layer with null object. You can show here a ring like icon. Just drag it, drop in null object 1, and here you can show a null 1. That means your shape layer is a parented to null 1. This is just like that. Null is a parent and this is child. And if parents scale up, then all the childs also scale up. And if parents go in left side, then all the childs also go in left side. Now pair all the shape layer with null object, null 1. We can also pair like this. If I select a null object and press P, now here you can show all the object moving at the same time. And if I scale up, then you can show all the object scale up with same time. And if I unpair any object like this, I unpair star, and now if I scale up, only rectangle and ellipse is scaling up and scaling down. I hope guys you understand what is null object and how it is work. And it's time to end this season guys, and I know it's too short, but we are coming back with another null object video. Again remember, practice at least 20 minutes in your day. Bye bye, tata, see you, sayonara.